Yo dudes! Welcome to Fig Roll, or Fig Newton as they're known across the sea. Fig is my favourite fruit, something I adore, and dried fruit, like dried figs, I love. Fig rolls, quick, simple, easy to make. They use six ingredients and they're well worth making at home, and they're kind of quite a healthier snack relative to other desserts. So here we go. So first thing you're gonna need is a food processor. So in that food processor, we have 200 grams of dried figs. Thing to note with the figs is just to make sure to remove, you see this woody bit here where the fig was on the tree, just remove that because that'll get caught in your teeth and it won't be very nice. Okay, so we have 200 grams of dried figs with their little tops removed. I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Boom, generous tablespoon. 50 ml of lemon juice. And that goes. We're gonna put a lid on it. Just watch out, it will bounce because it's quite dry straight away. Ready? Woo! Okay, cool. So that's our filling. That is our dried fig, perfect filling. So we're gonna show you how we get the fig in the Fig Roll or Fig Newton. Next step, 250 grams of almond flour. So the beautiful thing about these is they're gluten-free, and as I mentioned, they're pretty low in fat. 250 grams of almond meal or almond flour in a bowl. In on top of that, just make a little well in the middle. 50 ml of sunflower oil. And 50 ml of maple syrup. And then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Take a spoon and just give it a nice mix until it all comes together. And here, don't worry about overworking it because there's no gluten in it, so you're just kind of bringing it together and just making sure that maple syrup is spread throughout every flake of ground almond. So that's our dough done and our filling done. Now it's time to show you the top secret, how the fig is in the Fig Roll. Woohoo! We preheated the oven to 150 degrees. Grab a baking tray and grab some parchment paper. Boom. Okay, take our little dough ball, pop it out in the middle, and let's just really flatten it. Don't be afraid to use the parchment paper. Fold it over and just really flatten. Just help it being non-stick. So grab a rolling pin, just roll it over and just roll it out as thin as you possibly can. The thinner it is, the more you're gonna just see that lovely, beautiful division of layers. Okay, let's grab our filling. So we're gonna do 1 roll up the middle, fold it over, any extra pastry we'll roll out again. So here what we're trying to do is we're trying to make little sausages, little fig sausages. Okay, so we've rolled out our little fig sausage. It's time. An easy way to roll it is to roll it like sushi. So just use the paper, fold it over on itself. Be firm, but at the same time, think gentle thoughts. So just tidy up the pastry, make sure you're happy with it. Any extras, roll out and use the filling. Preheated the oven to 150 degrees. I'm gonna bake these for 20 minutes or until they start to go lovely and golden and dry on the top. Fig rolls have been in the oven 30 minutes. The room is smelling delicious, epic, and super figgy. Time to get them out. Woo! Woo, that's hot. So you want what you're looking for is that they go nice and brown. So look cool, look great, here we go, big moment. So this is how the fig got in the Fig Roll. There was a famous ad, some of you mightn't get that joke, but when I was a kid there was a famous ad, how did they get the fig in the Fig Roll? And it was funny, so. They're really delicious. Like, they're beautiful. Fig is one of my favorite fruit. The pastry is lovely. There was only 5 ingredients. They're gluten-free. The recipe is from our first book. So it's one of my more popular ones. We used to sell them in the cafe. Delicious, really delicious, fabulous, great recipe. Share it with any fig lover. Thanks for subscribing. We have a new book out. Just here. Sold out. Called Recipes for Happiness. There's a link down below. Thanks for watching and send loads of fig love.